So hi everyone, welcome again to the channel. This is the V868. We talk about tech, the budget version, as well as we have other stuff installed for this channel. So you want to start YouTube, but you don't have no bank. Cash is low.
Well, fine, if you don't want my money.
Money?
So, our solution for you. In this video, we're going to talk about three free video editing apps and programs for either PC, iMac, and Linux. Load the intro. And for lower power PCs, please check your specs.
Hello, IT? Yaha? Have you tried forcing an unexpected reboot?
So let's get straight into this video. There's no time wasting here. We're going to talk about these three apps really quick. There's going to be a quick review. I'm going to tell you about these three apps right now. So in any order, we're going to start with number one. Number one so far is Shortcut. SHOTCUT. This one is totally free, no watermark, no registration whatsoever. I'll tell you about the updates as well as the best parts site right now. So first of all, if you want to get into color grading, you could do it. It's cross-platform, meaning that you can either do editing on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Linux for those Linux users here. So also, you're going to think about this. Ask yourself this question too. Some of these programs will be affecting what type of PC you have. If you have a PC with 4 gigs of RAM, straight up to 16 gigs of RAM. Some of them specify, but some of the apps and programs can run on a PC with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and you're good to go. The specifications will be in the video, and I'll say this is number one, which is Shortcut. My second reason also for liking Shortcut is actually it's very easy to use. The layout is very straightforward. It's really good for beginner YouTubers. Lots of beginner YouTubers can be trying out this. It's free. It's an open source, meaning that the contribution is made by the community as well as other programmers who in the editing business and the editing aspect of doing videos. So don't feel afraid to use this, don't feel ashamed or anything. So far, this program is real good. There's no watermark, that's the main thing. You don't see no watermark popping up here or popping up down there. Oh, by the way guys, tell me which editing program or software you are currently using on either your PC or your mobile. Tell me, let's get into this. I might learn something new from you guys.
You'd best put seatbelts on your ears, Roy, because I'm going to take them for the ride of their lives.
So right guys, so number two we're going to do is HITFILM Express with the features as well as what you're getting for this editing program. Right, so this one is going to be a more minimalistic computers. We're going to start a run through it now. First of all, my first point I like about it, it has color correction. You can even make Instagram videos with the different IGTV videos, the different formats available. You could edit straight up to 4K video. But of course you need to register your software with HITFILM Express. HITFILM Express is the free version, so I'll be showing you guys the free version in this video as we see on the screen here at the moment. Also the program comes with lots of different effects. The effects goes on and on. The key thing I noticed so far, when you see the add-on feature, that means that you'll have to pay for it. If you are doing any masking or learn to do masking, not masking tape by the way, you could use this to learn that. Also, how I say, I like how it's high exports. Lastly, the pro version is the paid version. If you're willing to pay for it later on when your channel get bigger, no problem. It's a great program. I currently use the DaVinci Resolve, and that is also a free version, and I have the Studio, which is the paid version. Oh guys, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, give it a like, share it to your friends, comment, and tell me all the fun you're having with this. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the little bell down there, and click for post notifications. And back again to the video. So lastly, we're on number 3 now. The last one we want to talk about is VSDC. VSDC is also our next free editor with, again, the theme of this whole video, no watermarks. So this one is pretty cool too. You could do 4K editing. You could do stabilization of videos. So if you have any shaky video, it's easy to fix. From how I say from before, this one you can actually capture a desktop. That's how OBS is used. It's great for like if you're going to do any tutorials on the computer and you have to use your screen to mirror everything. Also, it has easy access, easy learning curve to me. I've been thinking about doing some tutorials for you guys. If you're interested, write in the comments, tell me if you're interested in any one of these for the future, and I could whip up all tutorial and try to learn it so I could help out you guys, give back to you guys who come every weekend and every week to show your support.
So what do you think of it?
I think it's fabulous. Every value I've ever held is being questioned, and I'm loving it.
So guys, what I could say, you don't need no big Threadripper PC, a water-cooled PC, or even RTX 2080 Ti. You could get doing your videos at a very cheap and most of all free way without any watermarks. And on this channel, again I say, coming up in the future we're going to be doing more tutorials. We're going to slap the tech, unboxing, we're going to talk about different aspects of tech, but we're still going to be there during this. So guys, if you found this very useful, very informative, comment, like, subscribe, most of all hit the bell notification for more videos like this, and you're going to see we're going to be getting into it much more in the future. So guys, stay safe and have a wonderful day.